If hurting you doesn't hurt them, they don't love you. They are just using you. Hey guys, my name is Vishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the why you should look for people's behavior rather than their words. Let's get into the video. Firstly, if someone really loves you, he or she will put you first. Like what is the real meaning of love? It is putting someone else's priority, their happiness before yours. This is what love is. So if someone truly loves you, there is no way that the people, that person will do anything that will hurt you, not even a tiny. Person who value you, a person who take care of every single thing of yours, your feeling, your emotions, your love, everything, that person will always take care of you, always take care of your physical health, your mental health, your peace, your happiness. He or she will do everything for you to keep you happy. And if someone is giving you the reason to cry and also letting you cry and leaving you, that person is almost like your enemy, not your lover. And you know what they will say? They'll say you are overacting, you are overreacting, this is too much, they can't take it. Like if a person, suppose a person is hurting you, not even giving a shit that you are hurt and you are crying, and also blame you for whatever happening, for whatever the situation is, do you really think that person really loves you? Also some of them, you know what say, they say we wanted to give you space. What space? Like you just take a step back from a situation that you couldn't handle. You don't love your partner enough that you can take care of them, and then you are saying you left your partner crying or sad just because you wanted to give them space. Like you thought giving your partner space in a bad situation, or if like they are in a bad mood is a way of love. A person who truly loves you will never leave you, no matter what the situation is. No matter how sad you are, no matter how angry you are, no matter how much disappointed you are, they will never leave you. And this is the only way where you can find out who really loves you and who really care for you. Never judge people by their words, never ever. Always look for the action and their behavior. Like if someone is keep telling you that he or she loves you, and they are never there for you in your bad time, no, they are just using you. And someone who is not showing, not keep reminding you and always there for you when you need someone really, that person is the one who loves you the most. That person genuinely care for you, they genuinely have good feelings for you, they genuinely want good for you, and they keep tell you that they love you, and all they are doing is hurting you, and they are not even giving a shit about your feelings. They are only using you, using your time, using your energy, everything that you have, they are only using. Like you can take an example of a mother who really loves her child, and she always put her child first, and she never hurt her child, not even unintentionally or like intentionally, whatever. And like you can see, like when a mother cooks, she never cooks what she loves, she always cook what her children's love. See, she is not putting her happiness first, she is putting her child's happiness first. This is how you see love. This is how you know that your mother loves you. So also this is also like in like in a relationship also, If someone really loves you, he or she will take care of you like a child, and they will do everything to make you happy. And you know what these type of people try to do? They will try to manipulate you with their words. They won't feel guilty about their actions. They will make you feel guilty about how you reacted to their actions. How you think that these type of people try to give you comfort zone when they are not even ready to accept their mistake? They are not even ready to accept that yes, they hurt you and they are sorry. No, sorry is way for, they are not even ready to accept their mistake. You shouldn't be around with such people. You deserve way much better than this. You deserve a princess treatment, a person who truly loves you, take care of you. And yeah guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. I will come back tomorrow with something new, with something more interesting. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you. Bye. Bye.